Hi, I'm Kelsey and I'm a dental hygienist. And a question I get asked frequently is, are electric toothbrushes really worth the purchase? And they absolutely are. Electric toothbrushes are wonderful for helping remove more plaque than you can remove with a manual toothbrush and just your own brushing in general. The difference mostly is that an electric toothbrush is going to do all the brushing for you, and you can get up to 60,000 brush strokes a minute with an electric toothbrush. And with a manual toothbrush, that would take you about a month of brushing to get that many brush strokes per minute. So it's absolutely worth it, and we definitely recommend it here. We also sell them here.